Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If you are looking for over-the-head headphones, then you guys should definitely check out these ones from MOVSSOU. So the first thing I looked for is how comfortable they are. Especially if I'm watching a movie, they're going to be on my ears for hours. They're so comfortable. Look at these ear pads. Look at how cushiony they are. And not only just the ear pads, but also the headband is also very, very cushiony all the way around. So I love that about these headphones, and they're very lightweight, so I don't feel like they're weighing me down. And I also just love the fact that you can extend the headband to make it fit more comfortably around your head. I'm a little bit old school. I'm really not a big fan of those ear pods because I can never get them to stay in my ears. So these headphones are right up my alley. And I like the fact that you can enjoy your music either through Bluetooth or through the auxiliary cable that it comes with. It's nice to have two different options, and especially when we're flying, the only way to take advantage of the in-flight entertainment is by using your headphones with the auxiliary cable. That's another reason why I chose these headphones. And the best part is these puppies will stay charged for up to 30 hours. So I love being able to wear these all day without being worried that the battery will die on me. They also have a built-in microphone, so now I can take my calls directly from my headphone without having to take these off. I was worried about the quality of the call, but honestly, the first time I called my husband, he said he couldn't hear any static at all, and it was super clear. They also have a noise canceling feature as well, which doesn't get rid of all the outside noise, but it definitely helps to dampen the noise, so that way you can focus more on your music or whatever else that you're listening to. So if you're looking for a pair of headphones that not only has wonderful sound quality, but are also comfortable to wear, then these are the way to go. And that's my point of view.